Guys, first of all, before I tell you how I got that on, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. And as you can see, I'm sweating bullets out here. It's probably about 90 degrees, which helped with the tire. Back to the tire. I put this on with 4 zip ties, 0 tools. I didn't use any of those tools. And that's with, what I did is I let the tire, this is a brand new battlaxe tire, a 190 on a Hayabusa wheel, 4 zip ties, dish soap, lubed the wheel up. A little bit of force I had to stand on it, but yeah, she went on. The zip tie method, guys, works. It works. You can put a big ass 190 tire on with just zip ties and 0 tools. But it being 90 degrees out helps. I just wanted to let you all know that. It does work. I did it myself. I'm going to try to make one more video for you guys before we go to the beach. Peace out, my brothers.